tense, one of the most confusing but most important topics in English grammar. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand all 12 tenses clearly, with simple real-life examples. So grab your notebook and let's go. Let's start with the present tense. Number 1, simple present. We use it for habits, facts, or daily routines. Example, I drink coffee every morning, not I am drink coffee, just I drink. Number 2, present continuous. We use it for things happening right now. Example, I'm watching this video. See, you're literally doing it. Number 3, present perfect. Use it for actions that started in the past but are still true now. Example, I have lived in New York for 5 years. That means you started 5 years ago and still live there. Number 4, present perfect continuous. Use it to show how long something has been happening. Example, I have been studying English for 2 hours. It's still going on. Next, let's move to the past tense. Number 1, simple past. Use it for actions that are finished. Example, I watched a movie yesterday. Number 2, past continuous. Use it to describe something that was happening at a specific time. Example, I was cooking when you called. Number 3, past perfect. Use it when one past action happened before another. Example, I had finished dinner before the show started. Number 4, past perfect continuous. Use it to show how long something had been happening before something else. Example, I had been working for hours before I took a break. And finally, let's talk about the future tense. Number 1, simple future. Use it for actions that will happen. Example, I will call you tomorrow. Number 2, future continuous. Use it for actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Example, this time tomorrow I'll be flying to California. Number 3, future perfect. Use it when something will be finished before another future time. Example, I will have finished my homework by 9 p.m. Number 4, future perfect continuous. Use it to show how long something will have been happening by a certain time. Example, by next year, I will have been working here for 10 years. Okay, quick recap time. Let's go through all 12 tenses super fast. I eat, simple present, I am eating. Present continuous, I have eaten. Present perfect, I have been eating. Present perfect continuous, I ate. Simple past, I was eating. Past continuous, I had eaten. Past perfect, I had been eating. Past perfect continuous, I will eat. Simple future, I will be eating. Future continuous, I will have eaten. Future perfect, I will have been eating. Future perfect continuous. And that's it. You just mastered all 12 English tenses in one video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Brighty Brain Arena for more fun English lessons. Now tell me in the comments, which tense is the hardest for you? I'll reply with examples to help you out. See you in the next one. Bye for now.